Hey guys, the high-ticket funnel game has changed. Kajabi belongs to creators who build trust-rich, experience-driven funnels instead of endless webinars. The secret is crafting a funnel that moves a prospect through awareness, belief, conversion naturally. Start with a value-based lead magnet that gives a quick transformation. Then use a short nurture sequence built around storytelling, case studies, myth breaking, and client wins. Instead of 90-minute webinar, use a 10 to 15-minute quote-unquote value video that delivers insights and sets up your framework. Next, drive prospects to a booking page for a strategy call, but pre-qualify hard using application questions, social proof, and a clear value promise. Kajabi's automations let you tag behaviors, video watched percentage wise, link clicks, page revisits, and send tailored follow-ups that match the prospect's intent level. Finally, use scarcity ethically. Cohort launches, limited bonuses, or transformation-based deadlines. This builds a funnel that converts cold leads into high-ticket clients without pressure or sleazy tactics. It's just a clean, structured path to say yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.